Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and this is my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. So today we are going to work on a little bit of goddess pose. So grab your mat and we'll get started. So we'll start in mountain pose. Feet are about hip width apart. Hands can come down by your side. Palms face forward with the shoulders up and back. And then from here, we'll inhale the arms up. On the exhale, we're going to sit into chair pose. On the inhale, you're going to turn to your right, coming into a wide stance. Arms are up, legs are wider than your hips, wider than your shoulders. On the exhale, we're going to bend at the elbows, bend at the knees, coming down into goddess pose. You can just bounce a little bit here. From here, we're going to do some opening and closing with the shoulders. So we're going to inhale, bring everything in, exhale out. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale, straighten the legs. And the exhale, you're going to step to the back of the mat, back into chair pose. Inhale the arms up. Exhale them down by your side. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. We'll do that again to get back to the front of the mat. So inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale, sit into your chair pose. You inhale, you're going to turn to your left. Wide stance, arms up. Exhale, bend at the elbows, bend at the knees. Then back into goddess pose. The same opening and closing. So inhale, close the arms. Exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you stand all the way up. On the exhale, we're going to go to the front of the mat and back into chair pose. So inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. 3 deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. And we're going to go back into that, and then we're going to add in a little bit of malasana, the yogi squat. So coming back into mountain pose. Inhale the arms up. Exhale as you sit into chair. Inhale, turning to your right. Exhale, goddess pose. Inhale. And then exhale as you bring your arms to your heart, or your hands to your heart. So we're going to walk the feet in just a little bit. Still a wide stance, probably about shoulder width apart. Feet will turn out to the side. Then we're going to slowly lower down into a squat. You may have to move your feet. Just depends on your hip flexibility. And your hands down, come into a little twist, so reach the left arm up and down, right arm up and down, and we'll come up just to a forward fold and roll up to stand. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the bell for notifications. Remember, you can always piece together all of these flows and make your own sequence. And I hope you will do that. Go back and check out my other videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.